Are you aware of the current issues impacting global business activities in the United Kingdom? This video explores the multifaceted challenges and opportunities that businesses face in the UK. From economic conditions to technological advancements, discover how these factors shape the business landscape.
Brexit has altered the UK's trade landscape significantly. New customs checks and tariffs have introduced challenges for businesses. Companies face increased costs and delays due to these changes. Regulatory divergence adds another layer of complexity. Exploring new trade deals outside the EU offers potential opportunities. The UK economy is experiencing slow growth, influenced by Brexit and the pandemic. Inflation and cost of living crises are significant concerns. Businesses must navigate higher operational costs and changing consumer spending patterns. Global supply chain disruptions add to the challenges. Innovation and efficiency become crucial. The UK faces labor shortages, worsened by Brexit and the pandemic. Restrictions on worker mobility have led to gaps in the labor market. Companies struggle to fill vacancies, increasing wage pressures. The skills gap complicates workforce planning. Investing in training and development offers a path forward. Digital technologies and AI are reshaping industries. Companies need to invest in digital transformation to stay competitive. Cybersecurity becomes a priority with increased digital reliance. The digital divide poses challenges for equal access. The UK's regulatory landscape is evolving, impacting business operations. New laws on data protection and environmental standards are significant. Compliance costs can be substantial for businesses. Staying informed and adaptive is crucial. Innovative regulatory frameworks can offer competitive advantages. There is increasing pressure on UK businesses to adopt sustainable practices. The government has set ambitious carbon reduction targets. Companies must invest in green technologies and sustainable supply chains. Compliance with environmental regulations is essential. Market differentiation can be achieved through sustainability. Navigating these uncertainties requires strategic risk management. Diversifying supply chains can mitigate risks. Geopolitical shifts can lead to sudden changes in business environments. The UK automotive industry exemplifies the impact of these issues. Brexit has disrupted supply chains with new customs checks. Economic conditions affect consumer spending on cars. Labor shortages challenge manufacturers. Technological advancements drive transformation in the industry. Brexit has led to new customs checks affecting automotive trade. Tariffs and regulatory changes increase costs for manufacturers. Delays in importing and exporting components are common. Trade agreements with non-EU countries are vital. The industry must adapt to maintain market access. The automotive industry faces economic challenges in the UK. Inflation and global semiconductor shortages impact production. Consumer spending on high-value items like cars is affected. Companies must manage demand fluctuations and supply chain constraints. Profitability depends on navigating these economic conditions. The automotive sector struggles with labor shortages in the UK. Brexit has exacerbated the lack of skilled workers. Recruitment and retention are more challenging, leading to higher costs. Productivity issues arise from the skills gap. Investing in workforce training is essential for future success. Technological advancements are reshaping the automotive sector. Electric vehicles and autonomous driving are at the forefront. Companies must invest in research and development. Manufacturing processes need adaptation for new technologies. The shift to electric vehicles requires infrastructure changes. Compliance with emissions standards is mandatory. Significant investments in new technologies are required. Non-compliance can result in penalties and reputational damage. The industry must align with regulatory expectations to thrive. Sustainability is a key focus for the UK automotive industry. Reducing carbon emissions is essential due to government targets. Companies must overhaul product lines for electric vehicles. Sustainable supply chains are critical for compliance. The transition involves substantial financial and operational changes. Geopolitical tensions impact the automotive industry in the UK. Trade wars and political instability affect supply chains. Strategic risk management is necessary to navigate these issues. Diversifying markets can mitigate geopolitical risks. Companies must remain agile to adapt to changing conditions. The UK faces several key issues impacting global business activities. Brexit, economic conditions, and labor market challenges are prominent. Technological advancements and regulatory changes are ongoing. Environmental sustainability and geopolitical uncertainties add complexity. Addressing these issues is crucial for business success.
In conclusion, navigating Brexit, economic conditions, and regulatory changes is essential. Businesses must adapt to technological advancements and sustainability demands, while geopolitical uncertainties require strategic planning. Understanding these dynamics is key to achieving growth and maintaining competitiveness. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 07 484361 688.